Today we're going to test 3 popular types of cakes in partnership with C&H Sugar, and we're going to see if Baker's Sugar improves cake texture. Baker's Sugar has updated their packaging to their resealable, mess-free, easy baking tub. There's a wide opening for easy scooping and measuring, and the box design fits perfectly into my cupboards. Now let's get into the differences between Baker's Sugar and regular granulated sugar. Baker's Sugar features an ultra-fine grain size, much smaller than a regular granulated sugar. It's substituted 1-to-1 for regular granulated sugar. We're going to start by making a white cake batter. On the left I used Baker's Sugar, and on the right I used granulated sugar. And that is the only thing that I changed amongst the recipes. And I'll link the full recipes in the description if you want to follow along. This is a time lapse of creaming the butter and sugar together. I creamed both on low for 2 minutes and 1 minute on medium speed. The butter was softened to the exact same level, and you can tell how much lighter and fluffier the Baker's Sugar and butter is. It creamed together evenly and was a lot easier on my wrist. After 3 minutes, look at this difference. Because of the smaller crystal size, Baker's Sugar was able to incorporate more air in the same amount of time as granulated sugar. To get that classic white cake flavor and color, I added egg whites, imitation vanilla extract, almond extract, and then portioned them off by weight to bake because the Baker's Sugar batter had more volume than the granulated sugar batter. And then I moved on to making the yellow cake batter. I started off by creaming butter, oil, and sugar together. Once again, Baker's Sugar whipped up lighter and creamier than granulated sugar. Yellow cake varies from white cake in the sense that it not only has egg whites, but it also has egg yolks for extra richness and that signature golden color. I popped that into the oven, and then I got started with chocolate cake. Chocolate cake doesn't require creaming any butter and sugar together, so I was really interested to see if there would be much of a difference in the cakes after they bake up. They also got portioned off by weight, and I popped them into the oven for the exact same time. Now that they're baked, let's check out the difference that Baker's Sugar made. Visually, the differences are quite obvious. The cakes baked with Baker's Sugar baked up taller, had less shrinkage, and were more evenly browned. And do you see how much more even the crumb is in the Baker's Sugar cakes? And the Baker's Sugar cakes were noticeably more moist than the regular granulated sugar cakes once I tasted them. So does sugar crystal size affect cake crumb and flavor? Absolutely. Try it out for yourself and let us know what you think in the comments.